Hey everyone, it's Greg, and today I have a real quick video for you. I'm going to go over the 3 rules that you have to follow to be successful on Teespring. People are always asking, so I'm going to put this into a quick video for you. So the first rule is it's 2 parts. So you have to have a lot of shirts, and you must put tags on these shirts. So the first part of that equation is you have to have a lot of shirts. So the more lines you have in the water, the more fish you can catch. But the second part of it is you have to put tags on the shirts. Not many people know that there's even tags for Teespring. But if you go to your dashboard for all your products, and then you see the specific campaign, hit the little pencil icon that's edit, and then if you scroll down a little bit below the description, you'll see this little area for tags. Well, you're allowed to put 10 tags in there, and it's kind of a time-consuming process because you can't copy-paste tags from campaign to campaign, so you have to manually type out 10 tags. But trust me, it's worth it because the shirts will get picked up organically through SEO, through Google, through shopping online, all over. So do that and you'll start getting effortless sales from that. But keep in mind that does take 2 to 4 months for the SEO to really kick in on the tags, but you must do that. The second rule is you have to be posting things on social media. And by things, I mean your shirts. Put your shirts on models. You can do that on Teespring. Just post the actual shirt right on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, wherever. This way you're going to get free traffic, and these kind of shirts, these items, are things that people share because they're funny, there's no commitment to it when they're sharing it, and you're really not, there's no credit, like they're not saying a brand on it. You know, it can just be a funny shirt, but when they when they share it, people will see it, and you're more likely to get sales that way. So free traffic, just make sure you're posting your shirts onto social media. And then the last part is kind of a logistical thing. You have to have all of your campaigns set on continuous relaunch. They do this now really simply. I think it's even the standard that the campaign sets at, but make sure that it's batching and it's always printing every 3 days. This way your campaign will never die. It just is always available. If you put it on 7-day campaign or 21-day campaign, after that deadline, the shirt goes off the market and it's gone. So make sure that you're putting continuous. So as you guys know, I teach courses, full courses on these things and show you my accounts and everything. I have 2 big courses for Teespring. One is for the beginners. It's called How to Sell on Teespring Without Paid Ads. So again, this is all without paying for advertising. And then the second one is for people who are more advanced. So it's the part 2, how to explode sales on your no ads account. So I'll link to both of these below, but if you have any questions about it, feel free to ask me. And if you're kind of a beginner getting your feel for Teespring, go with the first course. And then if you already are using Teespring and you want to pick up some more tips, I'll help you guys out, and it's all in that course. So I'll link that in the description. And again, let me know if you have any questions about these things.